Hello, diplomats. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to Secure Events, a revolutionary web application designed to streamline and secure your embassy events. Let's dive into how this tool can transform the way you manage and attend events at your embassy. First up, the user portal. As a diplomat, you'll start by registering and authenticating with your email and password. The user dashboard allows you to manage your profile, including uploading a photo for identification purposes. Once your profile is set, you can browse and register for events right from the portal. For restricted events, you can submit an approval request, and if approved, a QR code will be generated for seamless entry. This QR code ensures a smooth and secure check-in process. Now let's talk about the admin portal. This is where the magic happens for event organizers. Admins have full control over event management, from creating and editing events to deleting them as necessary. You can also manage user groups, allowing for pre-approved groups to be automatically registered for certain events. This feature is perfect for recurring meetings or high-profile gatherings. Additionally, admins can process approval requests, manage security personnel, and ensure everything runs smoothly. Finally, we have the security application. This is where security meets efficiency. Security personnel can use this app to scan QR codes for event entry, verify attendees with their photos, and track attendance in real time. This not only enhances security, but also simplifies the check-in process, ensuring only authorized individuals gain access. So, why should you choose secure events for your embassy? The answer is simple: security, efficiency, and convenience. By integrating these three components, Secure Events provides a comprehensive solution for managing and attending embassy events. Imagine the ease of registering for events with just a few clicks, the security of knowing attendees are verified, and the convenience of managing everything from a centralized platform. Revolutionize your embassy events with Secure Events and experience the future of event management today. Thank you for watching.
Okay, good evening everyone. Nguyen here. Today I'll be demoing the user management application that me and my friend Anisha created. This is essentially just a simple user management software where someone can, sort of apply people, and they can create an event, they can apply for approval. If an event has, open registration, they can automatically get a QR code. A security person can scan the QR code. So I will be demoing the user's dashboard and the admin dashboard, and Ansh will be demoing the embassy security scanner dashboard. So Ansh, could you please just introduce yourself and take it away?
Good evening, everyone. I am Ansh Naidu. I am also a developer on the VDT demo. And basically, what we'll be showing you today is how to generate events, manage approvals, approval groups, and the QR code scanner. So, Noam, I'd like you to take this away.
Thank you so much, Ansh. So first things first, you can see that on the user's dashboard, we can see that no events are found. So let's go ahead. Let's jump to the admins panel and let's create an event. So I can go into events. I can say create a new event, and I'll call this event Demo 1, for example. I'll put in a description also named Demo 1. One thing to note about the date and time is that the date and time cannot be in the past or the present, because to stop the clutter coming in on the user's dashboard, we have made it so that only current and recent events show up on the user's panel or the user's dashboard. So let's just select a date in the future. Let's put in a location. And then for now, let's uncheck require approval for registration. We'll come back to that feature later on. So let's create this event. So the event has just been created, And if I go back to the user's dashboard and do a little refresh, you can see that demo 1 is being shown and it also says open registration. I'll click on view details and I'll sign up and register for this event. As you can see, I've just registered for this event. I can go into my registrations and you can see that demo 1 has been created. I can go into view QR and the QR code has also been created. Ansh, can you please scan this QR code and show up the security scanner app?
Yes. So as you can see, my security scanner app is open and it doesn't show any events. Let me just quickly refresh it. Okay, there you go. Now, since Noam just created the demo app, you can also see the attendees that are available. And let's just quickly scan the QR. There we go. Now, in a short, yeah, there it is. Noam's photo is visible, and in this thing, you can cross check with the person who's entering the event and, maybe register them if they're the same person or not. This image will be asked when creating an account for the demo app or the management app which will be produced. We can just click scan another, or we can just go back. Noam, could you please try and create an event that would require approvals?
Of course. So let's go back to the events and let's create a new event. Let's call it demo 2. Let's give it any kind of description. Demo 2. Let's give it a date again in the future. Let's enter a location. And let's also select require approval for registration. So I can create this event and it will be created. I can go back to my user's dashboard. I can go back to events. And as you can see now, demo 2 says require approval. So let's just say that I, as a user, request approval for this event. And now if I go back to my approvals, I can see that a pending approval request has been sent to the admin dashboard. Usually an admin may approve or deny this request, but for the purposes of this demonstration, let's go ahead and deny the approval. If I go back to my user's dashboard, you can see that it will tell me that my request was denied. So your request was denied. However, let's just demo the Embassy security scanner app and let's check if a user can, break this approval. So Ansh, could you please go into demo 2, scan the QR of demo 1 and see if a user is able to break this security.
Okay, so now we're on the demo app, and as you can clearly see, for demo 2, there are 0 attendees registered. So obviously, we can just go ahead and try scanning the demo 1 app. As you can see over here, it's the demo 1 QR code, and see, users are not registered for this event, and verification has obviously failed. This is to prevent users from showing you dummy QRs or QRs that aren't real. And Noam, could you please go ahead and quickly approve the event?
Of course. So for that, let's create a new event. And this time I'd like to show off the groups feature. So the group feature is essentially just a feature that allows admins to give specific user groups pre-approval to specific events. So say, for example, you have a user who is usually part of your event, and you want a specific user group to already have pre-approval for that event. So for that, what I can do is I can go into manage groups and I can create a new group and I can say this is group demo. I can give this group a description and I can click on create group. Once the group is created, I can go back to members and I can add specific groups into this members. So I can go into manage members and I can add, for example, the 2 of my profiles. Right? And I can go back into groups. Now, what I can do is I can go back into events and I can say demo 3. I can give it a description. I can give it a date and time. I can give it a location. I can give it a capacity. I can click on require approval for registration. And I'm going to click on create event. Now I can go down to add pre-approved groups. And then I can click on the demo group and I'll select demo group and I'll click on save changes. Now, as you can see that this group has been added to this event. If I go back to events and if I look at demo number 3 and I click on view details, you can see that I have been pre-approved for this for this event. So I can click on register event, and as you can see, I'm registered as I'm pre-approved for this group. So I'm registered. Go back into QR codes. You can see demo 3 is under the QR code. And Ansh, could you please just do me a favor and scan this QR code?
Yes. Now, as you can see, demo 3 is already updated here. We just click on scan QR. And there we go. The approval has been registered into the scanner app. And from here on forward, we can, complete registration and everything.
Thank you so much for watching this video and giving us your time. We really appreciate it. That will be everything from the VVG team. Have a pleasant day. Thank you so much, guys.